Dan, welcome to the Law Show.
Hey, how you doing?
Fine, thank you. What can we do for you?
Well, I have a question about home ownership. Recently, my fiance of 16 years or so, and I purchased a home for cash. And I was just wondering if, because we're not married, we're two partners in this house, is this house vulnerable to any type of, say, a judgment from, some type of lawsuit or anything like that for one party that the other party's not involved in?
Dan, slow down. You own a house with your fiance?
Yes.
And how is the deed? Does it read as joint tenants with full rights of survivorship?
No, actually, it's just in her name at the moment.
Okay.
But we were considering adding my name to it.
Well, what you want to make sure is that if you have any debts out there, or if you have any judgments out there, or if there's anything that is of a financial nature that cannot be turned around right now, where you owe somebody money and there's no defense to it, you probably don't want to put your name on the house right at the moment, although there are certain exceptions to collection rules. There's been a change in Michigan so that even if you declare as an exception to any collection rule the fact that you own a home in joint tenancy, they can always put the lien against your home anyway. And whenever you have a lien against a home, that's going to cause you a problem in terms of selling it, refinancing it, doing pretty much anything you want with it. You may not even be able to make improvements to the home once the contractor finds out that the title is not clear, okay?
But anything that happens to either party can go on that home no matter what, right?
Well, that's kind of a broad question, but what I'm going to say is with home ownership, if people have debts, you've got to be very, very careful about making sure that those debts don't get turned into liens, judgment liens, and then don't get filed against your home in the clerk register of deeds, okay? If you need more information, Justin Grove, one of the best real estate lawyers I've really ever met. He's very good at what he does, and he's done some amazing things. I know of one case where he's been handling it for over 2.5 years now, and the house has been foreclosed on more than 2.5 years ago, and he's kept these people in their house, no money to the creditor, that is. He had to pay his legal fees, of course. But Justin Grove is a really, really great real estate lawyer. I'd highly recommend that you contact him with your question, and he'll get you through to where you